This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, Chevrolet MyLink, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio controls, front side impact airbags, full power accessories, front and rear reading lights, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Andy Mohr Speedway Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars and used vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit us today at 5101 West 38th Street in Indianapolis, or see us online at andymohrspeedwaychevrolet.com.